Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to this wonderful tutorial. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, put on the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a video. I post videos every week. Today I want to show you how to cut your perfect sleeve, your perfect off-shoulder sleeve. The video on how to draft your off-shoulder is in the description box, so you just go there and get the video. Now I'm going to show you how to draft your perfect sleeve. To get your perfect off-shoulder sleeve, after you must have drafted your dress, after you have finished sewing your dress, if you follow this method, you are going to get a perfect off-shoulder sleeve. When you finish joining the front and the back, use your tape and measure what you have on your neckline. Measure what you have for the front and the back. Measure what you have, what I have for the front side. Measure what you have for the front and the back. On the front side, I'll measure it. What I have here is 13 inches for the front. I'll write it down. The front neck, what I have is 13 inches. And I'll measure the back neck, the back neckline. What I have also is 13 inches. The back neck, what I have is 13 inches. Now, my round shoulder. The round shoulder measurement is 42. The round shoulder measurement is 42. Now I'm going to add this front neck and the back neckline together. That is 13 plus 13 will give me 26. 13 plus 13 will give me 26. Now, my round shoulder measurement is 42. I want to get the remaining sleeve for this off shoulder. So what am I going to do? 42, my round shoulder minus my neck measurement for the front and back. That is 42 minus 26 will give me minus 20. 42 minus 26 will give me 16. Will give me 16. Because I'm going to cut two sleeves. Because I'm cutting two sleeves for this side and this side, I will divide this by 2. That is 16 divided by 2 will give me what? 16 divided by 2 will give us 8. Now, to draft the off-shoulder sleeve, make sure you put it on fold. You put it on fold to get this 8 inches. So the length I'm working with is, for the sleeve, the length I'm working with is 3 inches. The length I'm working with is 3 inches. I'll rule a straight line. Three inches for the sleeve. And on this place, I'm going to measure this, my round shoulder measurement, round sleeve measurement. 8 divide, because it's on fold, I'm going to divide this 8 into 2. What I have here is 4 plus ½ inch sewing allowance. Plus ½ inch sewing allowance. So what I have here is 4.5. On these down parts, I will take 5 inches and I will connect it. The reason why I took this 5 down part is because our shoulder is not, our armhole is not straight. So I wanted it to have a little bit of curve. Then on this part, I'm going to come down by 1/2 inch. And on this part, I'll go up by 1/2 inch. To give it a little shape, and I'll connect it back. I'll connect it back. See what we have here? Make sure you notch to make sure that this is the upper part. To indicate your upper part, make sure you notch. So we'll cut. So I will notch to identify my upper sleeve. See what we have here? This is the down part, this is the up part. Now I'm going to place it and cut the remaining. I will place it and cut. Now to cut the lining. To cut the lining, because you have to line it before you attach the sleeve. To cut the lining, just place your fabric, because your lining is going to be bigger than your fabric. We're going to add some allowance to the lining. For the turning, now you're going to take it to your machine. Right side facing right side. Right side facing right side. You're going to take it to your machine. Sew it round. Leave one side where you're going to bring out the sleeve. Sew it round and turn it out from here. Sew it and turn it out. Let me sew it and show you. Now finish sewing it. Make sure you cut off the unwanted parts. Cut off the unwanted parts. And I told you to leave one side where you're going to turn it out to the right side. Now you're going to turn it to the right side. Use your iron to press it down. Now you can decide to mash this side down, or use your needle to tack it. Fold it inside. Use your needle to tack it. Now to fix it to your sleeve, attach it to your sleeve, now to attach it to your sleeve, you're going to bring your dress using the 1/2 inch that you left on the sleeve. Using the 1/2 inch, you're going to use it to attach to this side. Attach it here, sew it down, then make sure you tack this place down, flip it to the other side and sew it down. Flip it and sew it down. And you have your sleeve. This is the end of our tutorial. Please, if you have any question, ask in the comment section. Please like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you very much.